In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a decision tree diagram in Microsoft Visio. This process is simple yet powerful, enabling you to visually map out decisions and their possible outcomes. Let's dive straight into the steps to craft a detailed and clear decision tree in Visio. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visio. Once you're on the page, click the Sign In button. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically signed in. Otherwise, just enter your email address, followed by your password, and provide any additional information that might be needed. This will securely get you logged in to access Microsoft Visio. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. Look for the Apps section. This is where you'll find Visio. Simply click on Visio to open it. Now, you can either start with a blank drawing or use templates to speed things up. If you prefer templates, search for Basic Flowchart in the template search bar. Once you've found it, select the template and hit Create. This will set up your workspace with a variety of helpful tools for your decision tree. Next, from the Basic Flowchart Shapes stencil on the left, you'll see various shapes. You drag and drop these onto your canvas to begin crafting your tree. Let's talk about which shapes to use. For decision points, choose the diamond shape. This shape is your go-to for indicating where choices need to be made, typically having one entry point and multiple exit points for different decision paths. For the individual steps or actions in your decision process, use the rectangle shape. Each of these represents a specific task or action that needs to be performed. To start and end your diagram, use the terminator or oval shape. It clearly marks the beginning and conclusion of your decision-making process. Now, to connect these shapes, go to the Home tab and select the Connector tool from the Tools group. Hover over a shape until you see a blue triangle appear. This indicates where you can start your connection. Click and drag to another shape's connection point. When you see the endpoint turn red, it means the shapes are successfully glued together, so they'll remain linked even if you move them. You can also personalize your diagram by double-clicking any shape to add text inside it. Describe each decision or action directly on the diagram. You can do the same with connector lines. Double-click to add labels, like yes or no, to indicate the outcomes of your decisions. Finally, continue adding shapes and connecting them until your decision tree is complete. This structured visual not only clarifies complex decision paths, but also makes it easier to convey those processes to others. So, take your time and feel free to refine your diagram as needed. With these steps, you now have the foundational skills to create decision trees in Microsoft Visio. Enjoy drawing your decision trees and simplifying complex choices with them.